NextGen's workshops improve communication skills with practical, scenario-based training. 87% of workshop participants report immediate improvements in their ability to communicate clearly and professionally after scenario-based training. Is your team ready to level up their communication skills? At NextGen, we deliver practical, high-impact communication workshops designed for today's global business environment. Our workshops are available in flexible formats: half-day, one-day, or two-day events for groups of 13 to 26 participants. Scenario-based for real challenges. Every session is interactive and scenario-based, focused on solving real-world communication challenges your team faces every day. Practical, focused learning. We use real workplace situations, so your team can use the communication skills and professional language they learn immediately. Interactive and engaging, with role plays, group discussions, and hands-on tasks. Participants build business language, enhance communication, and gain confidence. Teamwork and collaboration. Participants work together to solve communication challenges, which enhances the teamwork and collaboration skills essential in global business. These aren't just workshops, they're immersive learning experiences that leave a lasting impact on how your team communicates. Where? On-site at your preferred location. Group size? 13 to 26 participants. Schedule? You choose, morning, afternoon, evening. How long? 1 day, 3 or 6 hours, or 2 day, 12 hours. We have over 30 workshop topics and we're always creating new workshops based on customer requests. Here are some of our most popular workshops. Write professional business emails. Handle customer issues in global business. Deliver an effective status update. Deliver impactful presentations in English. Master the art of business socializing in global business. Boost collaboration. Strengthen communication. And give your team the communication skills to succeed.
NextGen's workshops using scenario-based training combined with highly focused learning content gave our trainees the confidence and the communication skills they need to actively participate and lead business discussions. The training was highly effective.
Improve your team's communication skills with NextGen's practical workshops. Visit us at www.nextgenclt.com to learn more. Contact us at contact@xgenclt.com or call 02239 190 20.